KTN.
Today, as the world marks Mother's Day, the world speaks of progress, empowerment, and glass ceilings shattered. But in the gold pits of Remorse in West Pokot County, women speak a different language, one of survival. Here, dignity is not measured in titles or accolades, but in whether your children will get a meal. Alvis Kosgei has more.
The soil here is both a lifeline and a death trap. At dawn, mothers like Monica Kamasacha Peach, a mother of 4, kiss their children goodbye and descend into their stable pits with no protective gear. These women did not choose to be minors. Unemployment, poverty, and absent fathers forced them to fully carry the burden of providing for their families. While some men spend earnings on alcohol and leisure, women like Brilliant Cheruto wake up at 6 a.m. to dig for the grams of hope.
Wanalewa, wanaenda zao, hawana haraka. Na ile hata pesa yao wanapata hapa, hawezi wakaleta hata nyumbani.
Sasa wanaangalia wamama peke yake, jioni anakuja unapata ajui kufanya hivi vitu.
Mimi anakuja kutafuta koli, naenda kupeleka huko Karaya, naenda kuuza kwa huko 200, anakuja naenda kununua maize na mboga.
A full day of toiling under the sun can earn them as little as 600, barely enough for a single meal for a family of 10. Yet Milka Pius, a mother of 10, keeps returning to the pits. There is no sick leave, no pension, no time to mourn. When tragedy struck last Thursday and killed 12 mothers in a mine collapse, the village buried them and went back to work. Grief is a luxury that cannot afford.
Gold ina madhara mingi, si ogopi kukufa, ila tu najikaza ndo watoto wangu wapate kukula na kusoma.
Hii wakati natoka hapa hivi wanaenda nyumbani kupeleka korokoro, sukari, kupeleka nyumbani.
And still they speak with courage. They're not afraid of death. Cheruto says all that matters is seeing their children succeed in life.
Toke muweze kutafuta ili familia yenu inawiri. Kiwa siku ya kina mama ulimwenguni mzima, ningehimiza wanawake wenye wanasema amna kazi. Kazi ipo.
Today they honor themselves, not just with words, but with a call to action. These mothers are a living example of the ultimate sacrifice so that the next generation can stand tall.
These are mothers, providers, and breadwinners who brave constant threats just to put food on the table and send their children to school. They are basking in solitude just to secure their future. Elvis Kosgei, KTN, West Pokot County.
A family in Busia County was forced